you already sign up?
Yeah.
Just I'm not kidding for a second. Hey, maybe you should stop.
Wait, I missed it.
It was cool, but